Hello everyone, this is Gautam. Today we have presenting a resume screening and recommender system. And my teammates are Navin Rosan, Santosh and Srikanth. And this project mainly focus on improving the modern recruiters process using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques. And then move on to the problem statement. So the modern recruiter process are facing a significant challenges due to the rapid increase in job application and growing demand for the skilled candidate. Most organizations still rely on traditional hiring methods such as a manual resume screening and human lead interviews and basic aptitude evaluation. These approaches are inefficient, time consuming, and highly dependent on human judgment. Manual review filtering recommends recruiters to review the large value of applications, which increase their workload and lead to inconsistent of candidate shortlisting. Keyword to based on filtering system, they fail to the understanding the can control meaning of skills and experience. Often the rejecting suitable candidate while selecting less relevant ones. Another major issue is the lack of objective assessment mechanism of the evaluating technique skills, cognitive ability, and communication performance. Conventional coding tests only verify output there, they analyze code quality or logical structure. Interviews are also very demanding on interview preparation, introducing a basic bias and reducing fairness and higher decision. Additionally, the existing recruitment platforms operate the separate system for screening and testing, interview and decision making, and casual delay data redundancy and poor candidate experience. Organized lack of intelligent tools to analyze a big behavioral case of such as a speech clarity, confidence, and engagement level. Therefore, there need for the integrated automated and intelligent recruitment system capable for the evaluating candidate and using the AI-based semantic analysis, skill assessment, behavioral analysis, and decision support to ensure faster, fairer, and more accurate hiring outcomes. In the following section, we will explain the system architecture, modules, and the result of the proposition, solution, and algorithm.
Hi, I am Srikanth. So, I'm going to talk about a very important problem in today's world, recruitment. Hiring the right candidate is not easy anymore. Companies receive hundreds or even thousands of resumes for a single job role. But the surprising fact is, most companies follow still traditional hiring methods. So, the real problem is first manual resume screening. HR teams have to go through each resume one by one. This is extremely time consuming and exhausting. Because of this, they often depend on keywords instead of understanding the actual skills of a candidate. So, this creates a major issue. Many talented candidates got rejected just because their resume doesn't contain the right words. So, second, human bias in hiring. Different interviewers evaluate candidates differently. Some may focus on communication, others on technical skills. So, this leads to inconsistent and unfair decisions. Third, lack of proper skill evaluation. Traditional systems cannot accurately measure real coding ability, problem solving skills, communication skills, confidence, and behavior. For example, in coding test, many systems only check if the output is correct, but they don't evaluate the logic, efficiency, or structure of the code. Fourth, interview limitations. Interviews are often subjective. Mood of the interviewer affects decisions. No standard evaluation method. Difficult to assess non-verbal communication like confidence or engagement. Finally, time delay and inefficiency. The entire hiring process takes too long, sometimes weeks or even months. This affects both companies and candidates. So, our project is like a solution. So, I want to give the solution for these problems. So, to overcome these challenges, we propose an AI-powered recruitment platform. Our system uses artificial intelligence and machine learning to automate the entire thing process from resume screening to final selection. So, let me explain how our solution solves each problem. First, intelligent resume screening. Instead of manual checking, our system uses AI to understand the meaning of the resume, not just keywords. It compares the candidate's profile with job requirements using semantic analysis. This ensures accurate and fair shortlisting. So the result is like saving time and no deserving candidate is missed. Next, objective skill assessment. We use machine learning models to evaluate aptitude, logical reasoning, problem solving skills. So this removes human bias and gives data driven results. Next, advanced coding evaluation. Unlike traditional system or platform analysis, code structure and logic evaluates efficiency and quality. This ensures true technical skill assessment. So next is AI based interviewer. So HR avatar. So we introduce a virtual HR interviewer So the virtual HR interviewer asks question based on candidate's resume. So every candidate gets a consistent and fair interview experience. So this acts like a pre-planned interview experience. So next is voice and behavior analysis. Our system also analyzes communication skills, confidence, facial expressions, engagement level. So this gives a complete understanding of the candidate. And last, the final decision support. All results are combined into a single performance score. HR gets clear insights like strength, weaknesses, and suitability. This helps in making accurate and unbiased hiring decisions. So, with this system, we achieve faster hiring process, fair and unbiased evaluation, better candidate selection, improved candidate experience. In simple words, our solution transforms recruitment from a manual and biased processes into a smart, automated, and intelligent system. Thank you. This is how our AI-driven system improves recruitment using technology.
Hello, this is Santosh. I'm going to talk about the algorithms used in the system. So, the proposed recruitment platform integrates multiple artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, where each algorithm is responsible for evaluating a specific aspect of candidate performance. So, the first, for screen resuming, the system uses sentence, but this algorithm converts both resume and job description into semantic vector embeddings. Instead of matching keywords, SBUT understands contextual meaning and calculates similarities using cosine similarity. Second, for aptitude and cognitive assessment, the system applies the gradient boosting classifier. This machine learning algorithm combines multiple weak decision trees to create a strong predictive model. Third, programming skills are evaluated using the code to vector algorithm. This model analyzes the structure of source code by converting it into abstract syntax tree and extracting logical patterns. Next, for automated interview question generation, the system uses a fine-tuned tree-fi transformer model. This model generates personalized interview questions based on resume content, ensuring relevant and adaptive interview for each candidate. For speech analysis, the system extracts audio features using MEL frequency substral coefficient and evaluates them using the BIL-STM neural network. This helps analyze communication clarity, confidence level, and speaking pattern. So the system architecture is designed as an end-to-end intelligent recruitment pipeline consisting of multiple interconnected modules. This process begins with candidate registration, where applicants create an account and upload their resume through the web interface. The resume is then processed by the resume screening model, which performs semantic matching between candidate profiles and job description to shortlist eligible applicants. Shortlisted candidates processed to the assessment phase, which included aptitude testing and coding evaluation models. These models analyze cognitive skills and programming abilities using machine learning models and store results in the central database. After completing the assessment, candidates enter the A interview stage, and an intelligent HR avatar generates personalized interview questions and records candidate response through the video and audio inputs. The speech analysis model evaluates voice characteristics, while the facial analysis model studies behavior expression during the interviews. These are all about our algorithms and workflow used in our system.
Hi, I'm Navin Rosan. My topic is prototype of my resume screening using NLP project. In this website, we have a three process of roles. First one is candidate, job provider, and admin. Job candidate means the users can upload the resume to what the desired job can easily upload it. And then the HR will be, and the HR role is if any vacancy meets, the HR will be providing the job vacancy details. Like that, we have Python developer and what are the skills, they include the keywords for all the process. Once it gets uploaded, based on the candidate resume, it will give me notification based on the role. The candidate will see in there and what are the details you can description, you can read them. After that, the HR will be adding a set of selection for the candidates based on their resumes. After his selection, the HR will be sent the interview process. The interview process has probably three types. First one is interview. First one is aptitude round. Next one is coding, and next one is AI interview. Once the candidate will be done these three rounds, the HR will be notified to them. After this, we have the selection process. Once the 3 rounds is completely filled, the HR will be take about the candidate joining and salary and another details based on using this app. Thank you.